Grammy sent stuff?
Jesus, I wasn't even that. Oh yeah, I was about that one of my days in my freshman year. Yeah. Good God.
What if we take it out? What's in there?
Yeah. Well, I think they will.
There's stuff in there? Meow! Good job, baby. A woof woof. Good job.
What the hell? What's her parents?
Meow! Good job, love.
I'm about to do the
Dog?
classic Uncle Larry type.
What else is in there, monkey? You don't care?
Yeah.
Eraser. It's not a hairbrush, it's an eraser. Pencil. Oh, do we use that on the coloring book? Good job. Good job, baby. What else can we find? Emma, I know you smell the other girls on there, but get out of the way. Oh, we used the pencil on that too? Emma, knock it off. Look, Allie. Crayons. Colors. Oh, there's little kids on the front, so yeah, sure. Can we see what else is in the box? Meow! What else is in there? Allie, look, there's other stuff in there. Yes, there is a woof woof. Woof woof. Pretty cool. Nice piece of the eraser. Neato. Look at all this stuff Grammy sent. Baby, that's Mommy's. Thank you. Mommy will take the magazines. No. What is that? Meow. Oh, you're going to color on it. Good job. Oh, now you're going to erase it? You're so silly, Allie J.
Yes.
Pencil.
Wow.
Meow. Okay. Say thank you, Grammy.